issue that has been raised by the Edo State Governor for me is very, very sad because it is not a fact. What we distribute at FAAC is revenue that is generated, and the FAAC distribution revenue is a public information. We publish it. So it's revenue generated by the FRS, the customs, the NMPC that we distribute at FAAC. So it is not true to say we printed money to distribute at FAAC. It is not true. On the issue of the Bore, the Nigerian debt is still within sustainable limits. What we need to do, as I've said several times, is to improve our revenue to enhance our capacity to service not only our debt obligations, but to service the needs of running government on a day-to-day basis. So our debt, currently at about 23% to GDP, is at a very sustainable level. You can look at all the reports that you see from multilateral institutions. Those facts are stated to be so.